Hey there, mattphilleo in the studio. I'm working on a book cover illustration for one of Russell Stendhal's commentaries on the Bible. In this case, it's the book of Luke. And just want to show you the sketching process. I'm illustrating the Pentecostal movement in Acts. And that's when the believers were gathered there after Jesus died and rose again. He told them to tarry, to wait in Jerusalem till the promised gift of the Father. And so they are praying in the upper room, and at some point they receive the gift of the Holy Spirit. There's a rushing wind. There was something that looked like tongues of fire resting on each of them. I'm trying to capture that moment. So, we have a woman here who's very much excited, and you can see the expression on her face of joy and wonder. So that's what I'm trying to capture here. But I'm just in the sketching stage right now. And then hopefully I'll be able to get the painting started and then be able to have this thing finished very, very shortly. Right now I just want to work on a few details, the fingers, getting the architecture of the fingers in a little more accurately on her chest. That's part of the whole expression. So I'm just working on that a little bit, erasing it, refining it. Working on watercolor paper, a little bit different than what I usually work on, but it's good to sketch on, and I think it'll make the painting process a little bit easier and a little more geared towards an illustration look. So I'm putting a shadow under this gentleman over here, just getting in his beard, and we want to be capturing that expression of intensity as much as possible. That's important. And right now, again, just refining his face. I want to show that expression through the wrinkles in the eyes and the nasolabial fold on the nose and all those different things to show that he's intense in his prayer. And really we should be seeking God with all of our heart, all of our mind, all of our strength. A few of us do that, but we certainly can strive towards that goal, to seek Him more diligently, to experience His presence, experience the joy of having fellowship with Him. And so, but we see this man here has his fingers clasped together. This woman has her hands on her chest, which I think is just a beautiful expression. And I'm drawing this freehand, just working from some reference photos, which you can see over to the side here. Just working from some reference photos that I found online. And hopefully that gets the job done. So I just want to move the camera a little bit so you can see everything a bit better. Alright, pretty soon I'll be ready to begin the painting process on this. But if you'd like to see more videos like this, go to realisticacrylic.com. Check out my series on painting a portrait you can be proud of here in this channel. Like and subscribe, all those good things. And I look forward to sharing more videos like this. God bless, and we'll see you in the next video.